So day 1 of packing. I actually have 2 of these. This is the second one already packed up. These are the wardrobe boxes. I just don't want my stuff to be wrinkled and, you know, crazy looking or whatever. I'm putting everything in storage. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick because there's a lot of space down here. See that? What I'm doing is I'm taking bubble wrap, which is right here, and I'm gonna wrap each shoe in bubble wrap, and I'm going to slide them down here so that way everything is packed and my stuff don't get damaged. I don't want any scratches. I actually packed quite a bit. Show you guys real quick. So all of my jewelry is packed up, and that's why I kept every single one of my dusters. I already closed the box so you guys can't see it, but I took all of my jewelry and I put them back in those little, like, you see those dusters right there? I put them back in there. And then my purses, which is why I'm happy I kept all my boxes, I took them and I put them in there. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. I'm gonna take out a couple of jeans so I can wear over the course of the next couple of months, and then a couple of shirts, but everything pretty much is gonna get packed and wrapped up. Just want to keep things organized. And now I'm gonna take the shoes and put them down, but it's getting real. And I think my flowers, I'm gonna put them in like a separate box and put like decorative pieces on there so that I can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I'm out of breath yet. I just ran down the stairs and I've just been kind of up and down in the house trying to situate stuff, but that's what it's looking like. All right, you guys, you see that? Those are the shoes right there. I'm gonna open this in the middle. You can see that because, see that? All the shoes are just wrapped. I just don't want them to be all like crushed and stuff. And the blazers are pretty short, so they're not like stacked on top of there. But I think this is gonna be really good. I'm sure this is like the most expensive way to freaking pack, but honestly, I just want my things to get damaged. And considering, I'm not like 100% sure on what I'm doing. I just want my stuff to be intact. All right, you guys, pants, jeans are all here, and then the extras I put down here. I didn't make it all extra neat because it's jeans. Even if it gets wrinkled, it's not going to be too crazy. So that's that. But these boxes, they're called wardrobe boxes, if you guys are wondering if you're in the process of moving or something like that. But they're coming in pretty handy. Pretty handy. Just in case if you guys are wondering, I wanted to show you really quickly the side of the box. The metal rack above is where the clothing hang, and then right here you have the punch out hole where you can carry on the side. And that's why I think this is really easy. I actually saw this long ago. I think I was about 17, and my aunt, she was moving and the military moved her, and they actually provided these wardrobe boxes, and I was like, oh my god, that's so amazing, because when she got to her new place, she's pretty much opened up everything. So again, I know this is probably like an expensive way to do it, but I just find that this just works, and it worked for us when we moved into the house. But I'm just kind of showing you guys. So someone can have it here and the other side, or you can have it like here and there. Just shows you how you can pick it up. But I think it's really great. I think this box was $14 if I'm not mistaken. If it wasn't 20. I think it was $12.99. But I bought a box of 3, so I got a little bit off. And then the other ones, I got it in a set. It's a moving kit. Is this it right here? Yes, it's a moving kit. So this right here is a moving kit, and it's 5 smalls, 4 mediums, 2 large, and then the 1 tall, which is this one here. And I actually use that to put the shoes. This was like $50, which really was, again, I didn't think it was bad. A lot of times when I go to like Home Depot, Walmart to buy boxes, the boxes be broken up and you have to keep going back and asking. I didn't feel like doing that. There's actually a place here that once you get done moving, you can actually donate the boxes. So I do want to donate the boxes when I am done with everything. But I just wanted to make sure that my stuff wasn't going to get damaged. But I think this is really convenient. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but my stuff, it's not really going too far, and I'm not moving far either. So I just kind of put it here. The guys that are going to move me, they move this into the house, you know. So this is what I have so far. I actually got these from Home Goods, if you guys remember. The price is still on them, but they were on my bookcase. So this is what I did. I'm going to take some more wrap and just put it on top and then tape it. Nadia, you really playing with fire, girlfriend. But we gonna push through. We gonna push through. Oh, you guys, did you get Nikki's book? Y'all better go get her book, honey. That's it. Good morning. The first set of boxes are gone. I've got these boxes here, the clothes. I just don't want to take a lot of unnecessary things with me, and I mean, clearly I tend to overbuy. So I did go through my clothes and stuff, and I gave some stuff up, and then I went through everything, honestly. A lot of it I am keeping because it is my stuff, but I gotta go ahead and finish packing up the rest of the clothes and stuff. Most of the shoes are packed up. I ended up using this box right here. I had a second one to pack things in, so that was really good. And then the drawers here are there. I've been looking at some places, and man, the closets are just really small, and clearly this is going to be like a downsize. So I just don't want to bring a bunch of stuff with me just to be petty and just to be, you know, malicious in any type of way. So I'm really just trying to take what I need, and then if something changes, I can ask for it later. We're not, you know, we're not in a bad place. We're not arguing or anything like that. We're doing the best to, one, talk, communicate, which is what we were lacking, and co-parent with the kids as much as possible. So that's that. Yeah. So this is my office, which you guys are very familiar with. I have taken everything off the bookcase. So this is pretty much the next day what it looks like. It's so weird because the house used to feel warm, even though I used to get comments like, your house looks so cold. The house used to feel like really warm. I was actually out of town working. When I came back, the house definitely felt cold. I mean, it's not the same, you know, it's not the same. So yeah, this is what it pretty much looks like in the two main areas where I was at in the house. Everything else is pretty much gonna stay. Like I said, I'm not being petty as hell. I'm not trying to take every little piece of decor and stuff. I'm just really taking the main things that I know, you know, I don't feel like replacing financially, so I'm just taking those things with me. But everything else is fine. If I have to start over, it's not a big deal, because this is gonna be the first and the last time of me starting over. I want to make sure wherever I'm at is going to be permanent. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna turn the camera into my face because it's a little puffy, it's a little swollen. I'm going through my motions, and that's not really something that I want to advertise right now. So that's that. You guys have a really good one. If you haven't already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.